Audi India has officially begun taking pre-bookings for the new Audi A4 facelift in the country. Prospective customers can book the all-new A4 with a booking amount of 2 lakh rupees through the brand's authorized dealerships pan-India or on the official website. To offer the best ownership experience to customers, the German car maker has also announced a 4-year comprehensive service package on the pre-bookings. The new Audi A4 facelift will be the brand's first model launch in the year 2021 and is expected to arrive sometime in January next year. The company recently commenced local assembly of the sedan at its Aurangabad facility. The Audi A4 facelift comes with a host of cosmetic changes, including the new hexagonal single-frame grille, revised headlamps with LED DRLs, revised bumper, new fog lamp housing, redesigned LED tail lights, and more. The cabin gets a new 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with the latest Audi MMI user interface, Audi Virtual Cockpit, ambient lighting, and lots more features. Power on the new A4 will come only from the 2-litre TFSI petrol engine, and the sedan will compete against the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, Jaguar XE, BMW 3 Series, and the Volvo S60. BMW India has officially announced that it will be revising prices of the BMW and Mini range with effect from January 4, 2021. The prices will be hiked by up to 2% across the portfolio to offset the increasing input costs, the automaker said in a statement. This is the second price hike by the BMW Group in recent times, after the automaker hiked prices in November this year by up to 3%. At the time, the company had said that the price hike was due to depreciating currency value and rising input costs. BMW assembles its cars at a facility near Chennai for the Indian market, with the range starting from the 2 Series and goes all the way up to the M8 Coupe. The Mini range starts from the Cooper 3-door and goes all the way up to the Mini Clubman. And it's another exclusive from Car and Bike. Classic Legends Private Limited will be hiking prices for the Java range of motorcycles in the country from January 2021. Sources close to the development have confirmed to Car and Bike that the bike maker is planning a cyclical revision of prices for the new year that will see the Java, Java 42 and the Java Perak get more expensive by a small margin. The source further revealed that the rising input costs and commodity prices have been reasons for the price hike. At present, the Java lineup comprises the 42 that starts from 1,65,000 rupees going up to 1,94,000 rupees for the Perak. All prices are ex-showroom India. The quantum of the price hike though is yet to be revealed. More recently, Mahindra & Mahindra also announced a price hike across its range from next year onwards on the passenger and commercial vehicles.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.